question, and I want to see who will be the first 3 students who can answer. First question. Quickly answer it. What is the answer? Light travels in which path? Very good. Very good answer. That light moves in a straight line. Light moves in a straight line, and that property is known as rectilinear property of light. Rectilinear property, that light moves in a straight line. That is known as rectilinear property of light. So it is the first question. So who will the first? Astha, okay. But this time, who are the first 3? That Onik, very good. Devangshu, very good. And Sanchari, very good. Sanchari, well done, better. And also right answer given by Deep, Astha, Supriyo, Akash, Saronna. Okay, Saronna. Saronna, how are you? Isita, okay. And Onik. Okay, Sarona. Okay, next question. Next question. Get ready for the next question. I will not give the options. It's an exam, you will get the options. Now I will not give the options. Okay? Question number 2. Just write it down quickly. Splitting of light by prism is called quickly. Very good. Dispensal. Oh my God, Saronna have written full sentence. Very good, Saronna. So, yes, splitting of light. That incident is known as, by prism, is known as dispersion. Dispersion means that light just put a prism and a ray is passing through it, so it breaks into its component color. That incident is called dispersion. Okay, so who are the first 3? Okay, that Devangshu, Sanchari this time, very good, Sanchari, Onik and Deep. These 3 are the, and Saronna 4, Supriyo, Astha, Devangshu, Akash, Isita. Okay, Astha, can I turn the microphone? Better. Next question. Question number 3. Quickly answer it. Splitting of light by prism into dash colors. Actually, I am not hearing any one sound. 7 colors better. Okay, so splitting of light by prism, that is called dispersion, and how many colors it paints? That is 7 colors. Okay, next question. That is question number 4. Yes, yes, Saronna, very good. And who are the first three? Okay, now that first three, I expanding the range in first five. First five. From the next question, I am expanding the range. That is first five. That is Onik, Devangshu, Deep, Akash, and Sonchari. These five students have answered first. Then Asta. Asta is now six. Little bit. Okay, little bit fast Asta. That is Syed and Saronna, Isita, Supriyo. Okay, very good. Supriyo. Next question. Question number 4. Change of path of light after striking a surface. What is called? Change of path of light after striking a surface. Oh my God, Asta, Saronna, very fast you are typing. The change of path of light after striking a surface is called reflection. Okay, well done, Saronna. Yes, reflection. Asta, quickly, beta, quickly. Sir, I have answered second in microphone, but I have not hear any sound. Can you hear me, students? Okay. So correct answer is that is option reflection. Okay. Now one important question. I will dictate. I will not write this question. I will dictate the question. Your answer is going late. Okay. Image formed by a convex mirror. Listen the question carefully. Image formed by a convex mirror is called virtual. Option B, erect. Option C, diminished. Option D, all of these. Okay, you have to write the option as well as answer. Listen the question. Image form, wrong answer. Okay, first listen the question. Image formed by a convex mirror is called virtual, erect, and diminished. And option D, all of these. Which are the right option? Virtual, erect, diminished, and option D, all of these. Which are the correct options? Diminished means not diminished, that is spelling is diminished means smaller than the object, not diminished. Diminished means object is choto. Okay, here some students a little bit confused, and yes, the convex mirror, that image properties, all of these, that diminished is means choto, virtual, and erect. All of this is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. So question number 5 I have discussed. Now question number 6. Image produced by plane mirror. Option A, virtual. Option B, real. Option C, shadow. Option D, none of this. Image produced by plane mirror. Option A, virtual. Option B, real. Option C, shadow. Option D, none of this. Again I am repeating the question. Image produced by a plane mirror is called virtual, real, shadow, and none of this. Okay. Isita. Okay. So only well done to that Isita. Actually, your name, full name Isita? I forgot your face actually. Now Ishita is giving the correct answer. That is virtual image. Asta, virtual image means that when the rays are not actually intersect, that is virtual image. তোমার কি মনে হয় যে রেটা তোমার মুখ থেকে যে মিররটাকে ইন্টারসেক্ট করে ভিতরে চলে গেছে? ইট ইজ নট পসিবল। ইট সিমস, ইট অ্যাপিয়ার্স, মনে হচ্ছে যেন আস্থা যদি দেখে আয়নার কাছে কেউ আছে, মনে হচ্ছে না ভিতরে আস্থা দাঁড়িয়ে আছে। ইট সিমস, ইট অ্যাপিয়ার্স, নট অ্যাকচুয়ালি হ্যাপেন্ড। দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল্ড ভার্চুয়াল। এই যে আমি তোমাদের ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, মনে হচ্ছে যে তোমরা আমার সামনে বসে আছো, ওকে, আর আমি তোমাদের পড়িয়ে যাচ্ছি। দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল্ড ভার্চুয়াল ক্লাস। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার ইট ইজ ভার্চুয়াল। ওকে, দীপ, clear the concept of virtual image? Okay, next, if the object distance, listen the question, last question also, if the object distance is 20 centimeter from the mirror, what will be the image distance from the mirror? Quickly, object distance is 20, what will be the image distance? Okay, so students, this video will be uploaded here. I have discussed some important question of light, okay, and must watch that video, okay. So today I end this class here, beta. If you have any confusion, tell me. Otherwise, sir, Akash, for an interesting class. Okay, Akash, thank you. Okay, and few days, sir, if the object 20 centimeter, yes, very good, Asarana, right answer. Sovik also, Ishita 20 centimeter. Okay, and one more video will be uploaded today on the other some MCQ question. Must watch it. Okay, must watch it. It is very much important for before the exam. Clear it is? Okay, thank you everyone, and best of luck for your exam.